I'm Keira Rathbone, typewriter artist, and I use old typewriters, manual vintage typewriters to draw with. It's an honour to be asked to do this commission for Cunard in the 175 years. I think it would be quite surreal actually to be typing the subject from inside the subject, and to think that my finished Three Queens will be permanently on board Queen Mary too. It's amazing to actually drive into Southampton and see the ship, having only seen it from a photo and been typing it, to actually see it there moored up, and then to be on board. Yeah, it's amazing.